Hello, my name is Susan Dinkle, and this is my EDL 859 Curriculum Planning and Evaluation Module 1. This is my daughter, Emily. She is a junior at Kansas State. My son, Brady, is a freshman at Kansas State. Both of them are majoring in agricultural fields. My husband, Randy, is the owner of Millen Seed here in St. Francis. I coach volleyball and basketball in the junior high. I recently took on the position of junior high boys basketball coach. I don't know how this is going to go, but I'm going to attempt it. And junior high athletic director. A little background and information about me. I have an associate's degree in marketing from Pratt Community College in 1993. I have a bachelor's from K-State, business in secondary education. And hello. My name is Susan Dinkle, and this is my EDL 859 Curriculum Planning and Evaluation course. Some general information about me. I have a daughter, Emily. She's a junior at Kansas State. My son, Brady, is a freshman at Kansas State. My husband, Randy, is the owner of Millen Seed. I coach volleyball and basketball in the junior high. I recently took on the junior high boys basketball position, so that'll be entertaining. And I'm also the junior high athletic director. Some background information about me. I have an associate's in marketing from Pratt Community College that I received in 1993, a bachelor's in secondary education business from Kansas State in 1996, my master's degree in curriculum and instruction from Emporia State in 2006. I received my ESL certification in 2003 from Emporia State, which is why I got my master's in 2006 from Emporia State. I was born and raised in St. Francis, and this is my start of my 24th year of teaching, and I am back teaching in the school that I graduated from. My favorite class is my senior careers class, which is really kind of just a life skills class, applying for colleges, trying to help them figure out how to buy a house, car, buying insurance, all of those fun sorts of life things. My goals for the near future: survive the rest of this year, and I'm really hoping that happens. I am going to finish my administration certificate. I have my current leadership responsibilities are a member of the district leadership team, as well as the professional development committee, and again, the junior high athletic director. What I would like to learn in this class is how to find curriculum that inspires and stays current. It's not out of date in 5 years. We're hoping to find curriculum that's appropriate for all students that has appropriate modifications. And then I'd like to stretch my thought process when it comes to curriculum. I'm kind of set in my ways specifically in my classes, so I would kind of like to just find some new and exciting curriculum for my field. Thank you.